Hello, this is Debbie. I wanted to share with you today. I'm making a homemade southern caramel cake for our son's birthday, and I wanted to share the recipe. Now, I'm doing a shorter version of it because it's homemade and I am going to just use a cake mix. So I'm going to shorten up the time, and so I'm sure the recipe as far as homemade is really good, but I'm going to use a Betty Crocker super moist yellow cake mix. And the ingredients, I will post the recipe online. I just googled a good southern caramel cake recipe and found one, so I'm going to share the ingredients and then I'll post the recipe later. But I used a Betty Crocker super moist yellow cake mix. I made that, and over here I've got two round baking pans. I'm going to make his cake round, so a layer so I can put some caramel in the middle, and so those are about done. So I just made that according to the box, and then the icing calls for half and half butter, vanilla, and sugar. So I am going to start this, and then I will share the recipe, and I will as I gradually make the icing, I'll share that. But I'm going to make the icing homemade and cook that. And then, like I said, I just shortened the cake version. So I will come back here later and show you more of the cake and some of the results and let you know how well it's going, and hopefully it turns out well. So thank you for watching. Okay, so I added the half and half sugar and butter, and it's getting ready to boil here. So as soon as it boils, I'm going to add the sugar caramel. So the other half cup of sugar, it said to put it in a skillet and let it cook to a syrup. And then once that gets golden brown, you add it to this caramel mixture. So it looks like it's starting to actually get syrupy. So once it gets to a syrup golden brown, then I will put it in here and cook it until it gets to a soft ball stage. So I will get back with you and show you more results. Thank you for watching. Okay, here is the icing. I'm going to let it cool. I just added the vanilla, and I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and then kind of whip it up and let it cool a little bit more and then ice the cake. So I'll come back and show you the results. Thank you. Okay, so here's the icing. I just got through whipping it, and I did that for about 10 minutes. It says around 20 minutes, but it looked like it was ready, and it was a good thick consistency. You can see that it's thick enough. You can ice it. So I'm going to ice the cake. So right here I have the cake, and I'm going to put a thin layer in the middle, and then I have the other one right here that I'm going to top it with and then coat the cake. So I'll show you the results when I'm done. Thank you. Okay, I just wanted to video the cake. I just got through icing the cake, and actually the caramel went on really well. And I just kind of want to let you see. It's a little bit thick, so it was a little bit hard to spread to make it smooth, but it's definitely tasting really good. So I got to taste a little bit of the icing, and it is delicious. So I wanted to show you after I had the first layer, I put about a half a cup of icing on the cake and spread that around, and then I topped it with the other layer, and then I poured the icing on there and started icing it. So it does thicken a little bit when you start doing that because it's cooling down and it's getting thicker. So here is the finished product, and I hope my son will be happy with his cake. So thanks for watching.